Why are NEC hazardous locations critical for electrical safety? Imagine working in an environment filled with flammable gases, vapors, or dust. One tiny spark could cause a fire or even an explosion. That's why understanding hazardous locations is so important. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, helps keep these areas safe by setting rules for electrical systems. These rules are designed to prevent electrical equipment from becoming ignition sources. If equipment sparks, arcs, or gets hot, it could ignite the dangerous materials present. The NEC classifies hazardous locations based on what kind of flammable or combustible materials are there and how likely they are to be present. This classification guides electricians and engineers in choosing the right equipment and installation methods. There are three main types of hazardous locations. The first is Class 1, where flammable gases or vapors are present in the air in enough amounts to form explosive mixtures. Think of places like gasoline storage tanks or natural gas processing plants. Equipment used here must meet strict standards to prevent sparks or heat that could ignite the gases. The second is Class 2, which involves areas with combustible dust. This includes places like grain elevators or flour mills. Dust can be just as explosive as gases, so electrical devices need to be sealed or specially designed to keep dust out and prevent ignition. The third is Class 3, where ignitable fibers or flyings are present, such as in textile mills or woodworking shops. Electrical equipment in these areas must be built to avoid creating sparks or heat that could ignite fibers or dust. Each class is divided into divisions or zones that describe how often hazardous materials are present. Division 1 means hazardous materials are there during normal operations. Division 2 means they are usually confined but could escape under abnormal conditions. Knowing these details helps electricians select the right equipment, like explosion-proof enclosures or sealed wiring methods. For example, in Class 1 Division 1 areas, rigid metal conduits or liquid-tight flexible conduits are often used to keep sparks from escaping. The NEC specifies these requirements in Articles 500 through 516, guiding proper installation and maintenance. Proper grounding and bonding are also essential to prevent static electricity buildup, which could cause sparks. Understanding these classifications and rules is vital for safety. It helps prevent electrical systems from becoming ignition sources in environments where flammable or explosive materials are present. Following the NEC standards protects workers, saves property, and keeps operations running smoothly. Properly designed electrical systems in hazardous locations are a key part of maintaining safety and preventing accidents in industries that handle dangerous materials.